Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I hope you've been enjoying all the videos so far. I hope you've been practicing. I hope you've been doing all your practice exercises, and if you have any questions, please let me know. So in today's video, we're going to be practicing our curved seam. So this document is under this video. Print it out on your letter size paper, cut it out on your paper, cut it out, and then cut one of each on your fabric of your choice, either your muslin fabric or your any other 100% cotton fabric. So we have our pattern pieces over here. I've cut them, I've marked it also. I've marked my piece B, I've marked my wrong side, I've marked my right side, I've marked my notches also. I've marked my notches. Okay, so excuse me. So we're going to start sewing. So I'm going to match my right side of piece B to right side of piece A. So there, another way to see it is to match notch to notch. So this is notch to notch. Match it and pin it. Match and pin, and then go to your sewing machine, and then we're going to start sewing. And so this is the curved seam, right? With the curved seam, you have to take your time to sew it. We're not rushing. We're not going to be rushing here. We're going to be taking our time to sew. And your seam allowance or your sewing allowance is 1/2 inch. So remember, you can mark 1/2 inch like that to make it easier for you to see. Use your fabric marker or your fabric chalk to mark it, or you can use the stitch guide on your sewing machine. So we're going to start sewing now. Back tack, don't forget to back tack, and we're going to be doing it slowly. So we're going to be manipulating it. So we're basically trying to fit this tiny piece into this L-shaped piece. So I'm going to be manipulating. I'm going to be doing some stretching, stretch a little, not too much. You don't put too much force to it, just gently. You're going to be stretching it gently. So you just watch me manipulate as I'm matching both seams together, and also making sure we're sewing, we're using the 1/2 inch stitch. So I've already back tacked, and then I'm going to continue sewing. So just manipulating it gently. I want to make sure piece B fits into piece A. Okay, you have to take your time with this. Don't stretch. So the only one I'm stretching is piece B. I'm not stretching piece A, because remember, I'm trying to fit piece B into piece A. Okay, continue sewing, taking your time, easing piece B into piece A. Like I mentioned, don't pull piece B too much. Take your time. Sew this gently. So we're gently easing piece B into piece A, and we'll keep sewing like that till we get to the end. Make sure by the time you're done, piece A and piece B match. They match at the end. So those two notches, make sure the two notches match at the end. We're done, right? But now this is like not lying well. It's not laying well. So I need it to lay well. So what do I do to make it lay well? Pick up piece A, only piece A. You pick up only piece A. This is piece A. And then you clip. So we're going to be clipping. Remember, I showed you clippings, but this one we're clipping only piece A. You can also decide to clip both pieces, both layers. It also depends on the weight of your fabric. Remember, when you clip, you don't clip all the way to the stitch. You clip close enough to the stitch, but not through. Close enough to the stitch, but not through the stitch. Keep clipping piece A till you get to the end. After clipping, we are going to be pressing. So we're going to press our seam towards piece A. Another alternative is to press it open also, so that it won't be too bulky. Press open if you're using like using a bulkier fabric, and you can also snip both layers if you want. But for this practice exercise, we're going to be snipping only one piece, and then we'll press to one side. And then yeah, that's all for our curved seam practice exercise.